Hi friends, when you come to Girish Karnad, you actually come to the area or arena of literature wherein you see human feelings, human sufferings, and how one human suffering is actually nothing for another human. He is actually given objectification of human suffering. And why I am mentioning this particular point, because when you will see my other PPT presentations about his work, I will explain you the detailed analysis of character as well as the plot. So he was a very famous play author, actor. Whosoever is not remembering Girish Karnad, please see he was the Girish Karnad. He died recently in 2019 before Corona, and till now we have maintained standard of UGC NET English literature. So till now there is no question as such that please recognize this author pehchan kaun type question, but still they can ask you in some wild imaginations, but they will not ask. So if you don't remember this person, he was a very famous actor. He was born in Mumbai, died in Karnataka. So please remember this particular author for his important work. He was graduated from Karnataka University in 1958. He studied philosophy, politics and economics from University of Oxford. So these are few important points you must know about his life. When you come to chronology of plays, I am mentioning 5 important plays of Girish Karnad, and these plays are mentioned in chronological order. So you must remember them: Yayati, Tughlaq, Samskara, Hayavarna and Nagamandala from 1961 to 1988. When you come to literature, he got 9 important awards, and you must remember these awards because there can be a question on these particular things, like Padma Bhushan in 1992, then Sahitya Academy in 1994, Kannada Sahitya Parishad Award in 1992. So these awards just go through this particular thing once. Very important thing is that we are just going to study 5 particular plays, and if you will see that everywhere all the people are mentioning these 5 plays only, but actually 12 important works were translated in English from Kannada. So out of these 12, 5 are very important plays, but what I will do, I will explain you each and every work in sort of PPT when it comes to important plays like Tughlaq, Hayavarna, Yayati, Nagamandala. But the other important works which are actually not considered so important as UGC net point of view, but I will just make one PPT presentation about these works and a small brief about these works, so that if any of these works are mentioned in any other option in the exam paper, you will be able to attempt that. So guys, I'm just trying to help those kids who are not able to take any coaching classes or tuition, and I'm just trying to make sure that we are just presenting the points and the information in bullets in a very brief way, so that people are able to learn through these PPTs. So if you like this particular PPT, please do watch it again and again, subscribe it, so, and let me know. So I have started from Indian writing in English. After this, I will be posting complete dramatists, then poets of Indian writing in English with analysis and complete description of each and every poetess or poet and their poems and their works, so that students are able to prepare in a very good way. Thank you so much.